Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your Steam ID, step by step. Whether you need it to link your Steam account, use mods, or fix a login issue, this quick guide will make it super easy for you. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open up Steam and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, look towards the top right corner of your Steam window. You'll see your profile name there. Click on it. That will open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, select Account Details. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to your account overview. This is where you can see all your account information, including your purchase history and preferences. Now, here's the important part. Look right at the top of the page, just under your profile name. You'll see a long sequence of numbers. That's your Steam ID. If you want to copy it, simply highlight those numbers with your mouse, right-click, and choose Copy. You can now paste it anywhere, whether that's a support forum, game settings, or any website that asks for your Steam ID. And that's it. You've successfully found your Steam ID. Super quick and easy, right? If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my next Steam or gaming guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.